What up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today on Fitness Tech Reviews, we're going over the Slimpal Smart Scale Pro. They sent me this to do a little testing, and I've been looking for a smart scale that does good, solid body fat percentage for a little while. It does also come with a smart measuring tape as well, so hopefully between the two of these things, it's going to give you a great body fat percentage. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, of course, gotta open it first, so just a little bit of a slide there. Pop that baby up. Alright. Nice. It does have a nice glass top. Slimpal. Oh, and this is rechargeable. So it looks like this does not take batteries. It does have a lithium ion battery in it with a reset button here that you're gonna need a pin to tap in. And I'm not really sure what this is. I guess this is to clean the top, but it just says especially for you. Nothing on the inside. I guess I have legit no idea what this is, but cool. It does come with a USB, and this is USB Type-C charging, which is always very nice. To get those micro USBs just feels like it's a little backwards, but I'm going to go ahead and get this charged so we can get this all set up. Alright, it's plugged in, made a nice little noise there, it says Slimpal at the top. Bit of this. Oh, looks like everything's already on, so let's go ahead and get the app going as well. So, it says right here on the front, download the app called Slimpal. It's going into the Play Store. Yep, looks like that. 4.5 reviews, 92 reviews, really not a lot of reviews, but this might be a little bit newer of a company and all of that. It does have a 1000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery, uses Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for data transmission. Alright, opening up Slimpal. Guess I'm going to have to sign up. Fitness with Frost account. Goes right to feet. Smart. I guess if you go to other places, they go metric units. I mean, you know. I am 5'10", currently I believe I'm about 190. It's been a little bit since I've done a full one. And what is my target weight? Sure, let's put 185. That's behind the device, stand on the scale, smart scale, compete, click or add different users. That's actually awesome. If you have a significant other at home that also like to use this, that's awesome. Sure, I know. So I'm going to add a device in, a smart fat scale. Be on, you are on. Oh, there it is. Find it. Cool. I guess I'll configure the Wi-Fi while I'm at it. Also, there's a little thing on top of this that is showing that it's also configuring the Wi-Fi. Cool. Configuration successful. And let's get this guy set up as well. Not measuring right now. Not measuring right now. Why do you think I'm got the, sure, whatever. Cool. Stop it. Nothing on it right now. That's a little discordant. Okay, good. It was a little weird that it actually showed that there's 3 pounds on it when there's legit nothing on it. We're going to go ahead and add another device, the smart tape. It comes with a watch battery that you do have to put in. So let me do that real quick. I guess that is it. Go ahead and bind. Finish. Alright, got both my devices. Looks like it's all set up. So what I'm going to do is do a little testing and see if this is accurate and also show if it is accurate, how to use it. But let's go ahead and I'll see you in a second. Alright, we are back and I have some thoughts. So I've been using Slimpal over the past couple days because the first time I used it, it didn't give me a great reading. It was middle of the day, I already ate and all that. So I wanted to give it a little bit of a benefit of the doubt and actually use it as soon as I woke up. And I did that. So what happened? Yeah, not that particularly happy with it. So typically my body fat percentage is sitting at around 17 and 19%. I'm probably closer to the 19% currently. I don't have the most recent BMI testing for that, but you gotta kind of take my word for it. But what happened with this when I got on it the first time is it calculated my body fat percentage on the scale itself at 33%. So yeah, not that great. So I definitely wanted to check it out, but I still did use the measurement tool, which was great. You can put it around things, and then you kind of click in, and then to close in that circumference is you're kind of pulling that in, and then it just clicks it right into there, no problem at all, which was awesome. I was a big fan of this tool. And when I did just the tool, it calculated my body fat percentage at 22%, which is great. Big fan of that. But in a general sense, when it goes to what happened here, I wasn't particularly that happy. So when I woke up this morning, I woke up a little bit lighter than I typically have been at 189. Then it was about 192 yesterday. You can even go into that and it gives you a little bit of a scale here. I had my body fat percentage at 30.6 doing just the scale. Yeah, that's not accurate. And then when you use the body index and stuff like that, it kind of gives you an idea. Your BMR also low for me. I'm at around the 18 to 1900 calories. So that's not too great. And then your girth data, that's pretty cool. I mean, this uses this, and it gives you an idea of where things should be, higher risks and stuff like that. And it tells you where you should be measuring yourself. And when I did the first time, it had me at 22%, but now that it takes in the body fat percentage calculation of the measurement of the scale itself, puts me at 26.9. So I cannot recommend this for body fat percentage measurement. I can recommend this for just using this for overall measurements to see how your body's going. At first, I thought it was pretty awkward, like using one hand, but since you can click in and pull it in, it works pretty well. You can do this on your own and seeing how your body is changing on its own. So in that regard, it is great. But on the other hand, it's not going to be the most accurate, especially with the scale itself for body fat percentage. You can go into Fitbit, you can go to Google Fit to get that all set up as well. So that's pretty cool. But again, not the biggest fan of the body fat percentage measurement. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If it was, please smash that like button. If it was really helpful, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be one of the first ones to know when my newest video comes out. If you have any more comments about which ones I should be trying